Right, in this video we'll be checking out as many high country huts as we can. I just drove past Lake William Hovell and now I'm heading up the Upper King River Road. I'm just going to find a good camp spot for tonight, wait for Gordy and Kingy to get here, and then yeah, first thing tomorrow we're going to hit the tracks and then go check out some high country huts. Let's do it. Right, I'm right on the King River and an awesome camp spot has been acquired. Well, Kingy's here. Right, so we're all here. Gordy joined us late last night. Camped at a pretty nice camp spot right on the creek. And yeah, we're up early and straight into it. Let's go check out a hut. We are heading to Top Crossing Hut first. Let's go. Top Crossing Hut. Yeah.
Built in 1849.
Yeah.
Oh, Pringles.
Well, that's one down.
Time to go.
Do you reckon you'd sleep on that?
Sleep on that?
Yeah. I reckon this would burn down if you got a fire going.
Yeah. Got to keep hydrated, boys.
It's a bit early.
Early. Never too early, mate.
Right, so that was Top Crossing Hut. Now we're going to backtrack and head up to Evans Creek Hut. Gordy's just stopping to get a beer. Typical. Hut number 2. Very nice. Oh, that's 2 huts down?
Yeah.
On the tins. Alright, Tomahawk Hut is up next.
Someone needs to split oil those fucking hinges.
This is cool.
Solid. Where's it going?
So that was Tomahawk Hut. On to the next one. So the next hut we're heading to is number 3 Refuge Hut. Number 3 Refuge Hut. Get a fire going? Should just camp here. So that was the number 3 Refuge Hut. Pretty awesome view from up here. Now we're heading to the Razorback Hut, I believe. The Razorback hut.
Oh, it's closed. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Whoa.
Floorboards are a bit, there you go.
That's the fifth hut. 5 down. What's in there?
Super creepy.
Oh, now that is creepy. Found a bed for you for tonight, Gordo.
Perfect.
Yep, you can have the top bunk.
Sick.
Oh, the master.
Oh,
Oh, we've got the bathrobe too.
I bet this could tell some stories.
Oh, yes, it's cool.
Alright, Razorback hut. We're actually going to camp here for tonight. Probably just going to camp about 100 metres from the actual hut. But yeah, the scenery here is, yeah, just amazing.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time.
Alright, Craig's hut, here we come. So we made it to the crown jewel of high country huts, Craig's hut. So that was Craig's hut, probably one of the more well-known huts in the area. Definitely has some of the best views. So now we're heading to Binderee hut and we're going to check out Binderee Falls. Let's go. Beer number, what, 2 for the morning?
Yeah, let's say that.
What do you reckon? Yeah. Alright, Bindaree Falls. Check this out. So Kingy just took off, he's got to be home a bit earlier, but me and Gordy are going to continue the hut touring. We're going to hit up, I think, Binderee hut next. Bindaree hut, hut number 7 by my count. Let's have a look.
Oh, home sweet home.
Perfect. Oh, little fireplace. This one's probably the oldest hut we've seen. Doesn't look like it's been rebuilt.
No.
Alright, 7 down. Okay, next hut is Bluff hut, I believe. Right, Bluff hut. We made it. Let's check it out. Hell yeah.
Hello. Up now.
Hut number 8 for the trip. Well, there you go. Well, there you have it, Bluff hut. On to the next one. Up next, Lovicks hut. Right, hut number 9, Lovicks hut. Whoa. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, Gordy. You're not gonna believe it.
Oh, cracking BB. Perfect.
Bottle of wine.
Nice.
Got some soup, some beans. This one's pretty cool, eh? Massive fireplace.
Well, I'm writing my name and the hut adventure. On the side.
Yeah.
Little matches. Perfect.
Alright, that is 9 huts down. And now we're heading up to check out a lookout. Alright, up to the lookout. Woo! Rightio, so we just got to the top of this lookout just up from Lovicks hut. Kingy actually recommended this to us and definitely glad he did. The view is just, yeah, something else. Definitely gonna get some drone shots. Rightio, so that should pretty much wrap up this trip. Shout out to Kingy for coming along. He's got a bit more knowledge of the areas, which definitely helped. We'll see you in the next one.